Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. Yep, yesterday's YouTube unboxings, I finally uploaded all four of them. Anyways, here's the fifth one I told you. Yeah, here it is from Sam Ash, from my friend Sammy. The Pioneer DDJ-400, the new gold edition, limited edition. Comes straight from Japan. I got the first edition one. So, yeah. At only $249. Let's get with the unboxing and see what it comes with. Sounds cool? Cool. First thing we get is this padding stuff. Put that to the side. We get a Sam Ash receipt or something. A yellow Sam Ash receipt. Oh, it's an invoice. Yeah. And what everyone's been waiting for. Here's the controller itself. That's right. Here's the controller in all its glory. It's compatible with Algorithm's DJ app. It's also compatible, obviously, with rekordbox. And yeah, here's the side of the box here. Here's some other stuff here. Some other stuff's here. Some other stuff's here. Here's the back of the box. It says product of Japan, because that's where it came from. Product of Japan. This is the Japanese edition as well, as it being the gold limited edition is the Japanese edition one from Japan. And the first thing you get in the package is some type of, you get some type of, oh, this is that famous app for Apple iPhones and things like that, but it's also on Windows, and I checked the website, and it also says it's for Android now too, but it's just an advertisement saying for you to check this app out that is compatible with this new controller. Or let me rephrase that, the new limited DDJ-400 edition, because the DDJ-400 already came out a long time ago, but this is the new reversion remix of it. And, oh, and this right here, which I'm not going to show the other side, is the product key for rekordbox DJ license key. Notice, keep this license key stored safely after activation. Interesting. And this would be your manual. As you can see, it's in Japanese. Oh wait, okay. Okay, so here's like some type of, to our valued users, as of January 1st, 2020, our company name has been changed from Pioneer DJ Corporation to Alpha Theta, if I'm pronouncing it right, Corporation. Following these changes, we ask you to read Pioneer DJ Corporation as Alpha Theta Corporation instead of this product for all our instruction manuals, warranty, software license agreements, packaging, quality inspections, certificates, etc. For our contact information, etc., check the Alpha Theta Corporation website, pioneerdj.com. Note that we continue using Pioneer DJ as our brand name. Pioneer DJ is a trademark user license from Pioneer Corporation. And yeah. No warranty? I guess the warranty's in the front or something. But anyways, as you can see, the manual, it's in Japanese. Japanese, baby. Japanese. Of course. Let's rephrase that. Here's the English page. As you can see, they got different languages. But this is the warranty, though. It's a limited warranty. I wish it was a lifetime warranty, but it's not. So, yeah. Oh, and underneath the controller is your standard USB cable. Yeah, everyone already knows what that looks like. It's your standard USB cable. And here's the controller on the back. Yeah, this doesn't weigh anything. And it has handles on the sides. And this is what you all been waiting for. Look at that glorious controller right there. It's gorgeous. As you can see, you got your sugar pads. This controller is designed to look like a club style layout or like an ultra music festival CDJ layout. Here's all the features here. Like you've got your trim, you've got your levels, you've got everything here. Wow. Just literally wow. And then over here you got your master. Apparently this is for basic use, like, for beginners or something. Intermediate beginners. You got your Kingston lock over there. You got your USB connection there. You got your RCA master. The mic is unbalanced and the level for the mic is there, the knob. Release effect on off. Wow, this